Bueno, pues ha llegado el momento de empezar.
So we need to start with our CyberOlympics. And for that we need our colleagues. You all know them. They are Juan and Damian, the voices to the Omega Spanish TV show. Hey, good morning everyone. How are you doing? This is great. We just got to CyberCamp. We were so excited. Did you bring anything for your CyberCamp, like your cyber tent? I've been here for a whole day, by the way. I don't know where you've been. We were working on the Omega. Okay, sorry about that. We got our tents and sleeping bags and everything, right? And for the cyber night. So last day you will work on a cyber song, right? Yes, and also a scary story. Have you ever been given a trancas and barrancas? No, thank you. It is something you ever need to experience. And how about you at the CyberCamp? You're very excited, right? Aren't you? What are you doing? You're nervous because you don't know if you won or not. Do you know it? When you don't know, so why are you nervous? They are trying to get Wi-Fi, right? To check your cell phone. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's the password, right? And trust Wi-Fi, no problem, right? So if you see free Wi-Fi, go for it. Any airport, train station, just log and use your bank account and use those because it's free Wi-Fi and it's free of charge and you need to use it, right? So this is just some tricks that we have for cybersecurity. I guess you know it because you're experts, but did you know that with a Wi-Fi cannon you can kill a pigeon? Yes. Why would you kill a pigeon? Why would they shoot them down? But you get this Wi-Fi cannon and you aim and that's it. And it goes all the way down. Did you know it? Didn't you? Well, there was one there who knew it. If you didn't know it, you've learned it. Some advices. Passwords for email or mobile phone need to be as simple as possible because otherwise you will forget about it, and if you forget about it you cannot get in, and that's what's dangerous. You know, those are empty accounts, so it's very important that you use your birthday 111 things you can easily remember to go in fast. If they're gonna crack into it, who cares? Why would you care? They will hack it. Well, because they will hack it. But this is CyberCamp, right? But it's not so easy. You better be internet poor. I don't have any bitcoins. If I get stolen, I don't care. Well, I don't know what you're even talking about. Do you have bitcoins? Do you? Anyone? So we are cyber poor, all of us. So we are Cyber Podemos political party. Good. So without further ado, let's welcome CEO Adin Ziba. Oh, he's here. I'm just fooling around. Sorry about that. And then those responsible for this. Thank you all. Use the cyber microphone, otherwise we cannot hear you. So thank you all for being here, for being with us, and let me thank those who are part of the CyberOlympics for everything they've done today. We've had so much fun. It's been great to see you all competing. We've been fighting for a few hours, and I guess the option for cybersecurity with you, it's ensured. So congratulations to all of you. And we now move on. We also have the heads of activity. Let's welcome them with an applause. And let's start with the 5th award. Goes to USF High School in Cantabria. So they need to come here to take our awards for sure, for real. And we have 5 virtual glasses or goggles, and also check careful with virtual reality. If you're gonna watch porn, make sure that you've really closed the door because you do not see around. because you are covered, and so it might be an uncomfortable situation having someone in the room and you don't know it. So this is something you don't want. These are light cybersecurity tricks. This is a cyber large. Teachers, well, Alberto presents them with this 1,500 euro award. So Botilla is out there. He didn't make it. Where's it? So our mascot is here. So let's welcome Botillo. So we understand each other. Before you move on to the awards, it seems that Botillo can speak this year. And I've been told that Botillo, 1 bip means yes, 2 bips means no. Any questions? Botillo, you know a lot. Do you know a lot about cybersecurity? Bip. It's been 2 bips there. That means no, right? Oh, poor thing. I missed it. Are you happy? Bip. Sure? Bip bip. Oh, poor thing. We will short circuit him. You see, it has to be here the whole weekend. So, 4th one goes to Poeta Paco Moya in Alicante. They come very calm to us. It is clear the leader is a fan of Tim Alonso, so following the aesthetics. And they will also get 7 virtual reality goggles to do things, virtual reality things. But he is excited about this. You know that you don't pay for it, right? Beep. And this is also a check. This is 1,500 euros and the certificate. So it's been delivered. Do you come with us to show yourself in the pictures? Careful with those wires. I'm turning you so much around. Congrats. So an applause for them. What are you going to just it for? Tech material. Black cards, of course, black cards as well. Good investment for sure. So an applause. Thank you very much. Come here and we will take a group picture later on. 3rd, this is medals and trophy, right? And this goes to Plaza Prado in Toledo. Applause to them. So 7 sports cameras they get. And check that is worth 3,000 euros. Cyber medal. Bronze. You're the captain. I understand. Yes, you're Javier. Be honest, was there any doping? No, not for this kind of tests. There's no doping, just some bread ball to hold them. How long? 5 hours? 5 hours? At it? And programming as well? You're doing it all. Congrats. 3rd is the 3rd position is a good one, right? You can go back very proud. We're very proud. So family picture and an applause as well. Great. I think pictures have been taken already. Good. So, thank you very much. So next, we move on to the second position, and it goes to Silviana from Córdoba. Congrats.
En esta ocasión el premio van a ser...
It is 5 Fitbit bracelets, and we've got this check that it's 6,000 euros worth. Amazing. I keep sharing advice. You get an email from a distant relative offering you money. Reply. Do not forget about your family. If you get a weird email, what do you think? But you don't agree with what I say? Beep, beep. So that's a no. So, but you don't have a family because you're a robot. So if you get someone saying you got 8 million euros, probably it may be a scam, but there is this remote possibility that you got it. So check it and do always reply. These are just my tiny pieces of advice, very useful. So you have the captain here, right? No, it's not me. Hi, Captain. Well, I go over there. How do you get motivated? And ritual, lots of Red Bull. But do you have a speech and say, we're gonna program like never before? How do you do it? What your inspiring words? We have a pose. A pose? Stands? We would like to see that. Get ready. Careful. So that's what they use 80% of their time. Then they've been competing. What's that? Oh, good. That's good. Yes. Good one. Thanks to that motivation, they got the second award. That is very good. You should learn how to get motivated. All others you've lost. 6,000 euros, right? You can use it for choreography training. And let's move on to the winner. It goes to Montserrat High School from Madrid. Congrats. 5 smart watches and 9,000 euros in a check. Wow. That was going to be quite the party, right? A cyber party, that's what we mean. Who's the boss here? Mr. Captain, what's your name? What's your motivation? Do you have a stance, a pose as well? No, not that. We don't have that imagination. Any kind of discourse or speech. I just promised him a Magadan game on the train back. Yes, good. It is true that in Madrid you feel motivated. You don't need that anymore, right? Congrats, congrats. What are you going to use it for? So, last year, overhead projections, RAM memory for some computers, and something, the remainder, USB to sticks, because it had to be used, that money. So, just be sticks and whatever. Picture, was it taken? And Alberto, would you be so kind? So, at CyberCamp, you are the main elements, it's not us. And I invite you, all the teams, all 5 finalist teams, to come here to take a group picture. And I encouraged you to come back next year. Let's see you next year. Thank you.
Va a haber más gente aquí que allí.
Y sobre todo no sigáis mis consejos.
So, do not follow my advice, right? I was just joking. So, these tables make no sense here. Too many people, right? Seems March 15th.
¿Cómo lo hacemos? ¿Nos subimos aquí?
No, no,
Pues no
vosotros,
sé, no,
vosotros.
estos sois los protagonistas. Hacemos como los de fútbol, los de delante en cuclillas.
Vamos, un fuerte aplauso para todos.
So a nice applause to all of them.
Decir password. Password. Y así salimos todos con la boca torcida.